Welcome back to the channel, friends. So today we're out kind of doing a little exploring outside. We're in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and we're on one of the Fredericksburg's battlefields walking tour. So we're going to get a little exercise in and do a little bit of blogging and history learning. Right now we're on the Sunken Road walking trail, and this is one of the major battles of Fredericksburg. So stick with us and enjoy. The field of battle. That's the landscape in front of us here. Of what it looked like in 1862. So interesting, the mortar that killed this general actually passed through this house before killing him over there on that other side of the road.
Oh, is that his gravestone?
That's just where he was killed. Yeah, the Union artillery shell crashed through the Stevens house here and exploded out here and sending shrapnel into his thigh. He died a few hours later.
What's this?
The Enos house. You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Just another house located along the lines of the battle. It was ravaged by bullets.
You can see the holes. Look.
Yeah, some of them, can't you? Oh my gosh. I'm not touching it. I'm just pointing them out. These are the holes, I'm assuming holes that they're talking about, the house being ravaged with bullets.
Cool though.
Mm-hmm. They're furry. Let us know if you know what these are. I have no idea. They're cool though. It's a private home now.
Mm-hmm.
This house. Approximately 20,000 soldiers died in this region during the Civil War. Their remains are scattered throughout the countryside in shallow, often unmarked graves. There are more unknown graves with multiple soldiers in them is astonishing. It actually kind of hurts my heart that people don't know who these are. It could be family members. So we got through 2 of the 6 tours of the Battle of Fredericksburg. The Sunken Road walking trail was by far my favorite. It was surreal knowing that, you know, the huge battles that took place there, walking those grounds, really humbles you. So
all the graves that didn't have names or no idea who they were. It's pretty crazy.
It really got to you. If you think about it, it really does mean a lot. What happened back then, you know, kind of shaped the way we are today. So really happy to take part in that and to walk around and look at all that. So, and then she got hangry, so we had to go get some really good Mexican food.
Yeah, it's delicious.
That's right. And by the time this video comes out, she'll be a year older, so make sure you wish her a happy birthday. Just remember, friends, this is our life.
You do you.